Welcome to EDU World Space.
Given this function, the 2 out in front is what the amplitude is. The period of cosine is normally 2 pi, but since we're multiplying by pi, that's a horizontal stretch. So it would be, we would say that the period, a horizontal shrink would be 2 pi divided by pi, or we would say that the period is 2. For the phase shift, we have to consider factoring out the pi, then we'd have x minus what would be 4 over pi, so that when you distributed the pi, it would cancel out and be minus 4. So the phase shift would be 4 over pi. So if we're going to graph this, then let's say we know we have the midline that's going to be shifted up 4. Let's see. Don't have, based on this phase shift, it's not convenient with our axis on our minimums will be at 2 and our maximums at 6. And I would just put, we've got a y-intercept. If you plug in 0, it would be at about 2.7. A minimum of 2, and that is, it's shy of pi over 2 for a minimum. It's technically 4 over pi. No, it's not actually. 4 over pi would be actually the maximum, which is a little over 1. It's like about 1.3, which is shy of, actually that would not be a minimum. We'd have a maximum. We'd actually have a minimum just off of the y-axis. The maximum will hit at about just to the left of pi over 2. It's too bad you can't fix the scale here, because it's not convenient. The next maximum will happen at just after pi. So we got a minimum in between those. The next maximum you will have a let's see, which you're almost at a middle. It's on the way back up. You should basically have about 3 um, humps here into pi, and then you can mimic that going backwards. But I really don't like the scale, and maybe you're able to like fix that a little bit based on the phase shift. But hopefully you have some things cleared up from the first part here. I know the graph is a bit tricky. It might not be as bad on your end though. Good luck.